Hello, in this explain that this is a tutorial on how to use your Threads app from Instagram on Android. So first and foremost, you better have your Threads open up, just like this one. This is a new app by the way by Instagram that resembles a lot like Twitter. So first up, you can also make your bio one. And this is by completing your profile just like any other social media do. So there you go. You can just create any other profile account, choose your profile icon, and even edit out if you have links or your genders as well, he, him, she, them, or they, them. So after you're done, you can also make your privacy if you want to make your private account. Nobody could check you until you follow them back and other stuff as well. So here are the other threads once the privacy policy. And after that, you're good to go. And so you can just use it just like any Twitter app. And you can either put out a thread, just like similar to tweets, and share, like, even comment, or also tag it onto yourself, your profile, and retweet it. And that's about it. You're good to go and just use the Threads app from Instagram on Android.
If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends by notifying that bell as well. As always, stay tuned for more tech tutorials on Explain Dad.